Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro and let me share with you how to check IMEI numbers of this device. Alright, so basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. And I think I'd like to start with a secret code. We have to open the dialer. It is the place where you can enter it, and the code is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another way, which is longer, but it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings. Then we have to tap on About Phone, tap on Detailed Info and Specs, scroll down to the status, and here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots for this device. Alright, so basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.